being safe and cheap.
Position 3 went to Julius Kariithi and Gitau Wanyoike with their story, Hope for the Future. Makofi kwao tafadhali.
Siamini macho yangu.
Makofi tafadhali. Because TV are two people.
Why it's important for you to love your job and to do it with all your heart, because you're going to spend a lot of time doing what you do. So if you don't love it, you're going to be miserable. So I am happy to see the passion that you bring to your stories, the love you bring to your stories, and that is important in doing this job.
We really do appreciate the role that journalism plays in holding decision makers and even the society accountable on pertinent issues, as well as your role in setting the agenda. So we are committed in ensuring that we support you, be it data, be it going out to the field, be it linking you with mentors to enable you to do compelling, in-depth stories.
Is that these were just not family planning stories, but they were stories that also influenced action. And therefore, the media started playing a very critical role, becoming a platform that communities can actually use to talk to leadership.